To connect GitHub with AWS, you can automate deployments, manage CI/CD pipelines, or deploy infrastructure using infrastructure as code. Here are steps to integrate GitHub with AWS. Set up AWS access. Ensure you have an AWS account and the necessary IAM permissions in AWS. Configure AWS credentials using the AWS CLI or IAM user API keys for GitHub Actions. Install AWS CLI. Install the AWS CLI on your local machine if it's not already installed. Enter your AWS access key ID, secret access key, region, and default output format. Create IAM role for GitHub Access. Create an IAM role with necessary permissions that will be assumed by GitHub Actions to interact with AWS. Connect GitHub with AWS. Create a GitHub repository where your infrastructure as code is stored. Use GitHub Actions to automate deployments or pipeline workflows. Set secrets in GitHub. Create secrets for AWS credentials in GitHub. Navigate to the repository settings, secrets, new repository secret. Add AWS access key ID and AWS secrets access key. Trigger deployments. When changes are pushed to the repository, GitHub Actions will automatically deploy your infrastructure to AWS.